Hello, today we're going to speak about 3D printing and I'm here with an expert on this topic.
Hello, my name is Nicolas and I'm the founder of Unic 3D printing in Brussels. What we do here, we sell 3D printers and we offer a 3D printing service on demand.
Indeed. So, Nicolas, can you tell us about how does 3D printing works?
Yes, so follow me, I'm going to show you here a 3D printer. So what you see here at the back of the 3D printer is a spool of filament. This is the material. It goes into a little motor and then it's pushed into, pushed into this extruder and it's heating up the material and drops a layer of material.
Okay, so can you tell us which kind of application uses 3D printing?
Well, you have to make a difference between personal and professional applications. So for the professional, you will probably do some do-it-yourself stuff like fixing a door or repair a bike or something like that. You might also print toys for your kids and like artistic things like a sculpture. For the professional use, an engineer will make a prototype, an architect will print a maquette or blueprints. At school you will have a printer and for the medical sector as well.
Okay, so which are the most common material used in 3D printing?
So here are the most three common materials that you can use. You have a PLA biomaterial, an ABS material or a PET material.
Okay. So when we compare the three of them in terms of price?
It's basically the same. So you will have a spool of material. This full spool of 750 grams will cost around 22 to 30, I would say 22 to 28 euros. And it will be exactly the same for ABS, PETG being a little bit more expensive, like 30 euros.
Okay. In terms of availability on the market?
You can find them everywhere.
In terms of extrusion?
So the extrusion temperature of the PLA will be around 180 to 210 degrees. For ABS it will be around 250 degrees and for the PET it will be the same, 250. If you speak about temperature, you have to speak about the bed also, because the bed helps the print to stick on it, so it needs to heat up. And for the PLA it will be 60 degrees more or less, and for ABS and PET it will be around 100 degrees.
Is there a difference in terms of energy consumption?
The difference that you will have depends on basically the bed. If the bed reach a higher temperature, you will have more consumption than a lower temperature.
Is there a difference in printing speed?
No, it's basically 50 millimeters per second for all of them.
Okay. What about the speed in which the material cools down? Is there a difference?
So it cools down faster with ABS and slower with PLA and PET. And thanks to, well, if you want to make them cool down faster with PLA and ABS, then you use a fan.
Okay. In terms of printer compatibility?
All of them can be printed on any printer. For ABS it's a little bit more difficult because ABS needs a closed chamber, a closed environment with a filter.
Okay. In terms of possibility to recycle?
It's a little bit difficult to recycle today. So if you want to throw them away, they will probably be incinerated.
What about fumes during the printing?
For PLA and PET, it's quite safe. You can print them in this room without any problem. ABS releases quite a lot of toxic fumes. That's why you need a filter to filter the fumes.
Okay. And what about food contact?
So the only material that would be acceptable for food contact is PET. But the thing is, because you print layer per layer, there might be some microbes that develops between this layer, so it's a little bit tricky today.
Okay. In terms of fossil-based versus bio-based?
Well, fossil-based, ABS and PET, bio-based, it will be PLA.
Okay. In terms of recycled content?
You can buy some recycled content filaments with PETG. PET.
In terms of technical performances, what's the difference?
So PLA will be the most brittle, the most fragile one. ABS and PET being the the strongest material.
Okay. In terms of aesthetic performances, what is the difference?
So you will have more choice with PLA. You can find composite materials mixed with PLA, like you can add wood, you can add stone, you can add material that glows in the dark, for example.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to add?
Well, 3D printing is actually easier than you can think. So I really encourage you to start, and I would encourage you to start with PLA because it's a bio-based material.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.
Thank you, you too.